In this tutorial, we'll guide you through connecting your account to Binance Exchange using API keys. This enables trading on Binance using SwiftCoin's advanced features. First, you have to activate two-factor authentication on Binance for added security. Go to the Binance homepage and click on the profile icon. Navigate to Security page. Select phone number. Toggle on SMS Authenticator. Fill in your phone number and click Confirm. Key in both verification code sent to your phone and email. Congratulations! Your two-factor authentication have successfully activated. Now let us proceed to bind your account to Binance Exchange using API keys. First, click on More. Next, scroll down and find API Management. Check the box. Click on Create API. Now, choose an API key type. You have to label the API key to proceed. Complete security verification puzzle. And fill out all required entry fields. You'll receive an email with a verification code and your Binance API key. You'll also receive a secret key. Now, go to SwiftCoin homepage and click on API. Click on Create. Enter your Binance API key and secret key. Copy all the IP addresses generated on SwiftCoin. Go back to Binance API Management page. Click Edit. Click Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Paste all the IP addresses generated you have copied earlier. Tick Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Click Save. And proceed to security verification. Key in the verification code sent to your email. Go back to SwiftCoin API page and click Submit. You can now proceed to bind the APIs by checking the box and click Submit. The processes are now completed and you're all set to start trading on Binance using SwiftCoin AI Trading Bot. Thank you for watching.